back. We're going to do something different today. I've already tried it. I've just updated Windows 11. So I'm going to try the new version now. So I'm going to wipe this other version. I'm going to show you the latest one. I've just shown that there's a Canary build, but this one should be now. Which one's this one now? I just need to go. That was the Canary build. So you'll find that on my archive, and then I've got this one, which is the latest one with all of them, all the versions. Right, so I'm just setting it up with all these settings. So I've got 16 gig. This machine's 64 gig. Pardon me if my throat's a bit sore. I've actually just got over a cold, and I've still halfway through it. I've got toilet problems. I've got bad back. You name it. It's this flu thing. Right. So we're gonna run this one into. I should be able to boot it directly. Right. So we're going for it. Right. Right, it should now boot into. So I'm not particularly bothered, you see, at the moment. Right. Move up or down. Right, okay, so we need to do CD-ROM. Let's just see if it boots. Right, okay. Okay, now this should be the boot drive. This should be the ISO, because it'll identify ISOs as a as a CD-ROM. Not that they use CD-ROMs as much now. I remember when I first got my first CD-ROM drive, it was about 60 quid, and it was only one speeder. Oh. All right, okay, so we're here. Right. Language. I'll pick. Only one preference. Country. I actually live in the Philippines, so. Right. Okay. So, and I don't need to do the backup. I don't have a key. That's all right, because I'm going to activate it anyway, using the script method. Which is perfectly legal. You know what I mean? It's. Right, so if you recognise, I've compiled all these versions. And I'm going to do the Pro. I could do the Enterprise. No, I'll do the... I don't know what we got here. Internet of Things, I don't want that. Education, do not want them. They're all basically the same version. They're all basically the same image, disk image. Right. Right, so here's the destructions. Oh, I'll tell you, I've just had like 2 days of absolute hell. Spent most of the 2 days in bed, being ill, head spinning like, oh God. Right, okay, so we need to take these off. So we take, alright, okay. Extend partition, delete partition. Kind of want it. Alright, okay. It's a bit slow. There we go. I delete these so that it can create a new partition. Right, so that's basically it now. So we just do that. It should build up. There you go. Check device specification, no worries. If we go, off we go. This is 24H2. This one's the latest version. As from the 26th of February? Is it? Oh, yeah, I think it is 26th of February 2025. This is the latest version. Right, guys, it looks like it's just finished installing Windows. As far as I know. There we go. I should have tested it. Oh, that's quite quick, isn't it? Yeah, I should have tested out another version of Windows, like the education one or something. But never mind. Yeah, the Canary build, there's two of them. There's a dev build and there's a Canary build. Canary build is like dailies, isn't it? I'll have to check. But if you want to get it, if you want to go to the website yourself to get it, there's a script you write. It'll start up. Whoops. Oh, that's different. Right, the Canary build basically is the ones where it's like regular builds. You could test rather like a developer's build. And then there's the developer build, so it should be okay now. Huh? Okay. Yeah. Oh, finally. It gone through that time. It could be because it's the schedule in the backgrounds are probably looking for updates. Maybe. I see the initial setup in it. I should have really tested this out on the NVMe. It'll be rapid. This is the internet. Where the government likes to surveil you and watch what you're doing. Nah. You get stuff off the internet and they get stuff off you. Right, okay. Checking for updates. Yeah, there's a strong musky smell of burning. Usually when the volcano's kicking off, I'll have to check the reports. We actually live near a volcano called Tal, T-A-A-L. If you go online, go to YouTube and just type in Tal volcano, T-A-A-L volcano, you'll get it. It erupted about 2020, just before the pandemic. The plandemic. Whatever you want to call it. Right, okay, so skip for now. What's the name of your device? I'll skip for now. That's new, that. Oh, and I don't think it is actually. Right, set up the school network, not the personal one, because it'll ask for an account. Right, so come on, that. Pick options. Domain instead. Right, so we go Nick 1. That'll do. That means now, and you can just see that blank. That means now you've got an account set up. Location, no. Find my device, no. Diagnostic data, yeah, optional. Ink and typewriting, no. I don't know. Could do, I suppose. Tailored experience for them, no. That's the main thing you got to do. Make sure you go on domain. Pick a domain like through the school, because that'll create a local account. Because I'm not keen on setting up accounts where you have to give details to Microsoft. 98 SE. Oh, there we go. We're in like Flynn. That's a pile of crap now. Right, so let's go for it. And we shall find that you can see all the spamware on it. Get started, don't want that. Right, okay, so app feedback, I don't want that crap. Microsoft account, I do not want a Microsoft account. Attention needed, Windows are alright, okay. You need to activate Windows, right. So that's the main thing what I'm going to do now. Right, you can actually order the update for, the activation, which is this. This is the Microsoft script. This is how they use it to activate your version of Windows. But obviously there's a way, where there's a will, there's a way. Right, so we'll go to command, hold shift key and control down, and oh yeah, I can take that off in a bit. And then what we need to go is to go PowerShell, which will launch the PowerShell and the editor. Give it time. Bing. Now it should, in theoretical terms, launch. It's taking its time. There we go. I don't think have we got any money? I don't know. I need to go to the bank tomorrow because I've been off ill for 2 days. I don't know whether or not my wife's got money. I've got money. I just fancy a Big Mac, you know, plastic burger. Right, 1. This will also activate Office as well, but I don't want Office. It is slightly wrong with the activation on this, because if it won't activate permanently with Office, but it will do it with Windows. That's one of the things I've found out. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, it finds the build version, and it's on an AMD platform. Obviously this isn't a virtual machine. It's taking its time, but it will activate it. It's pretty good little utility, this. There we go, generic key. Successful, yay! Genuine ticket, alright, okay, so convert license, alright, activating. Let's see if it activates. I'll be very shocked if it doesn't. It's activated permanently, right, okay. And just to think, if you go to them CD key companies and all that kind of stuff, they charge you $15 for that. Because they're just corporate companies. And that's all they do. Right, so now I should have an activated version of Windows. Right, personalise. I'll just show you some quick remedy stuff. Set up personalisation. Go. Taskbar. Search box. I'll just change that to icon only. Attachment. Task toolbar arrangement. Go to the left. Right, go icons, desktop. Whoops. Icons, themes and related. It should be at the bottom here. There you go, desktop related. Desktop icons, I have a tendency to turning them on. Turn the network on. I'm going to use the network and control panel for me. But usually a lot of people just use computer and use the files. If you wanted to, you could change the icons. If I wanted to, I could change the icon, by the way. So all you do is do that, and you can customize your icons. So you can have a different icon, like that one. That'll do. Look, network. Okay, off we go. We are done. And if you look there, there it is. Right, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.